The European Union has approved new sustainability standards for batteries, including easy access, material recovery, and recycling efficiency. In a recent press release, the European Council announced the acceptance of the regulation, paving the way for the final vote. Starting in 2027, portable batteries in devices must be removable and replaceable, contradicting recent design trends. Unibody designs offered thinness, water resistance, and efficient internal structures, but sacrificed battery accessibility. Removing the back cover became a complex process involving adhesive layers and, in some cases, disassembling camera modules. iPhones rank highest in repairability, while phones like the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra require extensive disassembly. The Pixel 6 Pro features a soldered charging port and a strongly glued battery, making repairs challenging. Manufacturers' design choices determine repairability, favoring component placement over user-friendly access. The EU requires batteries to be removable by the end user, encouraging manufacturers to facilitate the process. Apple offers repair toolkits, but extensive repairs are often costly and not economically viable. Manufacturers will need to adapt their designs to prioritize repairability, benefiting users. However, this mandate may pose challenges for manufacturers who prioritize other design aspects over repairability. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support independent news.